In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the serpentine belt on this Subaru Outback. This is going to be located in the front of the engine. Let's get into it. Taking the belt off, the tensioner is right here. We're going to use a 15mm socket and a ratchet. If you have a serpentine belt tool, you can use that. Take the tension off the belt. Pull the belt off the alternator. You can take the ratchet off. And slide the belt under that cover. It's an AC pulley off the water pump, off the idler, and off the crank pulley. And pull the belt out. Take the new belt. Go around the crankshaft pulley. Get that lined up. And on the back side of the idler pulley, down to the water pump. Over the AC pulley, AC compressor. We're going to go behind the tensioner and pull it over near the alternator. Just make sure it's around all the pulleys. That's good. Take your ratchet, take the tension off, and go around the alternator pulley. You can let off, double check all the pulleys. Oh, down below it's slipping off. Just make adjustments. Alright, that looks good. Now you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.